Understanding Print Profile, a guide for English language learners. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore the meaning of the phrase, print profile. This is a term you might come across in various contexts, especially related to printing and digital media. Let's dive in and understand what it means and how it's used. Print profile refers to a set of predefined settings used in the printing process. These settings include color management, paper type, and quality of print. Think of it as a recipe that tells the printer exactly how to reproduce a document or image. In digital printing, a print profile is crucial. It ensures that the colors you see on your screen are the same as the ones that get printed. Without the right print profile, colors might look different on paper, leading to unsatisfactory results. So, it's all about accuracy and consistency. There are various types of print profiles, each suited for different purposes. For example, a profile for glossy photo paper is different from that for matte paper. These profiles take into account the specific characteristics of each paper type to ensure optimal print quality. To use a print profile, you typically select it in the print settings of your software before printing. This tells your printer to follow the specific instructions of that profile. It's a simple step but makes a big difference in the quality of your printouts. Understanding print profile helps you in achieving the best possible print results, whether for personal use or professional projects. I hope this video has clarified what a print profile is and why it's so important. Keep exploring, and happy printing!